Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making a classic and delicious banana pudding. If you watched my last video, you already know how to make the vanilla pudding base. We're going to use that, add some fresh bananas, and layer it with a homemade whipped cream. If you missed it, here's a quick look of how we made our vanilla pudding. Fun fact about me, I actually hate bananas, but I love banana pudding, banana bread, and the banana flavored Laffy Taffy, which is in fact the only one of the Laffy Taffies that I do like, so it's a little weird that I'm making this video today. But I'll only be using 2 bananas. You guys can use as many as you like. It's recommended to use 3 or 4 in this recipe. Here is what you'll need. Our homemade vanilla pudding from last video, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 6 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla bean paste, vanilla wafers, and 2 ripe bananas. Now that we have our vanilla pudding, it's time to make the whipped cream. Pour your 2 cups of heavy whipping cream into a large bowl. Add 6 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 2 teaspoons of vanilla bean paste. I love using vanilla bean paste because you can see the beautiful dark seeds against the white cream. The next thing you're going to do is whip it until stiff peaks form. To make our pudding lighter and more flavorful, we're going to fold in half of our whipped cream into our vanilla pudding. This makes it so airy and delicious. The other half we can use for topping. Now it's time to assemble our banana pudding. Start with a layer of vanilla wafers at the bottom of your dish, then banana slices, and top it off with that pudding. Repeat these layers until you reach the top of your dish, and then finish it with a generous layer of whipped cream. For the final touch, you can add some bananas on top or crushed up vanilla wafers for a bit of crunch and decoration. Look how beautiful and delicious this looks. I hope you enjoyed this easy banana pudding recipe. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, comment below your favorite dessert, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. See you next time.